So probably most of you guys are wondering how the hell did I put the subtitle into a video game. So here's the tutorial. But before we continue to the video, watch this one first. Hey guys, welcome back to Alice Game channel. So probably most of you guys watch my videos, right? And if you notice that I put a subtitle on every single of my video, but sadly it's not English subtitle, it's only in Indonesian subtitle. But I'm pretty sure most of you guys like wondering how did I put the subtitle on my video. So usually I edit my videos in my laptop, and there are 3 types of app for editing video in your laptop. So the first one, there is Adobe Premiere Pro. There's 2 types of Adobe Premiere Pro, CC, and the other one is CS6, and the second one is Wondershare Filmora. I use the new update from Wondershare Filmora, the Filmora 9, and the third one is Sony Vegas. But I don't use that Sony Vegas because first of all, it's too heavy for my laptop, and second, it's too expensive. So I just use Premiere Pro and Adobe Filmora and Wondershare Filmora. For my whole videos, I usually edit with Adobe Premiere Pro. And for the subtitles, I usually edit with Filmora. Why? I mean, those two are similar, right? I mean, those two can make subtitles. Yes, that is correct. But between those two, there are big difference on it. I will show you later. Before we continue to the tutorial, if you guys want to see another content from Modis Game, make sure to subscribe with the bell notification on. And if you find this tutorials helpful for you guys, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. And if you guys want to find my other tutorial, you can click in this corner here, yeah? And probably I will make another tutorial for you guys if you guys like it or enjoy it, okay? Now, let's jump on to the tutorial. Okay guys, so we're already in my computer or in my laptop. So as you can see on the screen, I already open my Adobe Premiere Pro, so I will give you the example of how to add your subtitle in your video using Adobe Premiere Pro. So right now I'm using Adobe Premiere Pro 2019. Okay, so here's how are we gonna do it. So first thing first, because we gonna add subtitle, we have to use our headset so you can hear the sound loud and clear. Okay, so here you can see here there's a text, there's a type tool in here. You just click that, and then you just click anywhere in here, and it will appear like a text box. So it's gonna take a few minutes because because it's kind of heavy for my laptop. See, it's not responding. Oh my god.
2,000 years later.
Okay, so you can see the text box in here, the red box. So now you can just like type anything. So we're gonna play the video, and it's in Indonesia. I'm sorry. So this video is one of my disability project. So this is the mental disability, and my plan is to upload it, I don't know, like next week, probably on Saturday or Friday. Yeah, just stay tuned lah for this video. Okay, let's just play the video. Okay, so we're gonna type his name. So we're gonna type like this. My name is who the hell again? Siapa lagi namanya? Aduh. Wait. Because his voice is kinda small, so we're gonna change the volume a little bit. Kita akan naikin volumenya. Okay, so that's how you turn up the volume like this. Okay, Okay, let's try again.
Nama Rahmat Naim.
Okay, I don't know his full name, but I catch my ear catch that his name is Fahui. I don't know. I'm sorry. So it's like that. Okay. So we're done. My name is Fahui, and then move the pointer to the effect controls. And in here you can see there's a vector motion, there's a position, scale, rotation, anchor point, and this is for the graphic text. So in here you can, like, in the position you can move the text to left like this or right, and you can move it like up and down like this. And to change the size of the text, you can just like block this text and then move to the here graphic text, and here you can change the font of the text. You know, there's a lot of font in here, and you can just try anything. Maybe let's try this one. Okay, like that. And here you can change the font style, so it's available in bold style. Okay, so in here you can add the appearance of the text. There are fill and there are stroke. Stroke is like the outline of the text, so I will add the outline like this, and you can change the outline of the text. I will change to black like that, and this is the size of the outline, so I will add it like, I don't know, 10. Let's see. Oh yeah, and you will see like that. Boom. Easy, right? Well, we're not finished yet. And to change the size of the text, you can block the text again, and you can change it in here, scale, here, like that. There, boom, like that. And usually I put my subtitle in here, in the middle. Yeah, like usual text, you know, in here, like that. Okay, so that's it. So that's how you put the subtitle using Adobe Premiere Pro. But it's not that easy, because in Premiere Pro they don't provide like type of text box for you, so it'll be easy for you to choose type of the subtitles. So yeah, just gonna show you how to add in Filmora, yeah, so you guys understand what I'm saying. Okay. So okay, let's go to Filmora. So I already opened the Filmora, and this video is for my next episode of Beyond Two Souls, episode 4 or 5. Yeah, I think episode 4. I forgot. Lol. Okay, so usually I close the English subtitle in the for gameplays, right? And I change it into Indonesian subtitle. Okay, so here's how I do it. So that's the English subtitle, right? So this is how I do it. So you can just like using the backward key on your keyboard to move it for backwards for like per frame per second. So it's gonna be like this, like that. Just press the backward key on your keyboard until before the text appear. Okay, so it's like this. Done. So now we go to the titles box, titles menu, and in here you can see there's so many types of titles. There are custom, openers, titles, lower thirds, subtitles, and credits, new concept, and favorite. So my favorite one of subtitles is this one, subtitle 3. So we just drag in here in the timeline. So we already drag the text in the timeline. So now we're gonna play. Now we're gonna click this text. Right click on this text box and then advanced edit. And you can, because there's only one text from the game. So now we can delete one of the text box from the subtitle. So like this. There. So now we're just gonna change this Viva Mus blah blah blah. Press Ctrl plus A on your keyboard, and then just backspace, and then just change the subtitle into Indonesia, or maybe the otherwise from other language to English. and etc. So now I'm just gonna change this into Indonesia. Hey sayang, like that. Okay, so like that, and then we add the text border again. So you know it's gonna cover the text also like this, and the size of the text border is 4, and then you can change and then you have to change the size of the text to 20. And after that, how I close it, the English sub. So in here you can see there's a add shape, so click that, and then there's a type of shape, but we're gonna add the square shape, right? Okay, click there, and then you can see here there's a insert text here. Click that box, and then Ctrl plus A again, and then text space. And then this is not perfect square, so we're just gonna press this yellow thingy to turn the square into a perfect square. Okay, so here if you put it like here, you can see that all the text are gone, right? So for the text to appear above the box, you have to do like this. First you have to move the box into the English subtitle like this, and then you can see in here there's a round rectangle and the text itself. So we're just gonna drag this one into the bottom like that, and then we just drag the subtitle into the top of the box. So it's like this. Done. Okay, let's see. Okay, let's explore with Joey. See? It's perfect. It's matched with the English subtitle. Wait, I forgot. So before we move those two, we have to see the English subtitle finish where. So apparently it's finished right here. So if you want to match it like perfectly, you can just press your forward key until the English subtitle is finished. Oh, okay, so it's finished right here. So now we can just click on the round rectangle and drag it until here. Same with the text box also. Just like that. And then we have to do that again, like here. Done. Ta-da! Let's see. Like that. Okay, so for me, it's easier to use Filmora to add subtitles because they already provide us like the titles menu, and in here you can just add any subtitles, a type of subtitles you want. There are type with yellow color like this or like this. Wait, yeah, like that with the outline already. But I prefer this one, the subtitle too. It's not that hard, right? No, actually it's easy. But the hard part is usually my video, especially my gameplay video, are 30 minutes long, right? That's the hard part. That's the hard part. You have to make all of I don't know how many subtitles in one video, especially in 30 minutes long. And that's why I very seldom uploading videos, especially in my college time, because I have to like record first, and then I have to edit the raw videos, and then I have to add like the subtitles in Indonesian subtitles or maybe English subtitles if I speak in Indonesia. And that's why for me, I prefer to speak in English because it's easier for me to translate English from Indonesia, whether to translate from Indonesia to English, and I don't know why. It's really hard for me to translate from Indonesia to English. Damn it. Okay guys, so I hope you guys found this tutorial helpful, and I hope you guys appreciate my videos because I really put a lot of hard work in my videos, you know, so I really appreciate if you guys watch my videos until the end. Yeah, so thank you guys for watching today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. And don't forget to subscribe to our game channel and give this video a big thumbs up, okay? And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.